Customers are the most important thing to me and to my staff. The relationship that we have with our customers is key to what we do. Technology is going to fail. People are going to be frustrated, and that's understandable. But as long as we have a good relationship and rapport with the customer, they understand that we're doing everything we can to take care of them.
You know, everything on the farm is becoming more and more interconnected. Everything is connecting out to the internet, and the things that aren't, we rely on old school infrastructure to be able to take data from one place, move it to another place. We've been able to grow our infrastructure really quickly over the last year, and in doing that and being able to have their support, it allows me to have a lot more peace of mind in all the things that I support for the company. So we have Omega Computer Services to thank for that.
Insurance is not really a high-tech field in a lot of ways, but we're sort of catching up and trying to use technology as much as possible. And Omega has been able to help me push my agency farther ahead of a lot of other agencies. I get feedback from other agency owners at meetings, and they're often taken aback by some of the different processes that we have in place and how we run the business from an IT standpoint.
We had gone through some growth. The industry was picking back up. We had hired a lot of new people, and so we were facing challenges every day on how to service those people in such a broad region. We really focused on turning that around and trying to get everything resolved in 24 or 48 hours, and so it's been huge to get the confidence back with the team that their stuff's going to work, that their printers are going to work, their laptops will work, their cell phones, they're going to be able to connect to the networks. So it's really important to gain confidence with those teams again, and that's what Omega has really helped us with over the last couple of years.